Hello everyone. In previous lecture we studied about cement properties. In that first we studied what is meant by concrete. So under concrete we studied about cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and mortar. Okay. And then next we studied properties of cement. In that what is meant by cement. Then manufacturing of cement. Then its ingredients. Then we studied Bogi's compound, its formulas and short forms. Then next we studied hydration of cement, then field test on cement and storing of cement on site. Okay, and today we will discuss about the lab test carried on OPC. So here OPC is nothing but the ordinary Portland cement. Okay, so over this OPC we studied about these 5 laboratory tests. So in that first test is fineness test, and second one is standard consistency test, then third one is initial and final setting time test, compressive strain test, and last one is soundness test. Okay, so in this lecture we will study first test, that is fineness test. So firstly, we studied about what is meant by fineness test. So, fineness of cement refers to the size of grains or particles of the cement. So, lesser the grain size, finer the cement. So, due to the small grain size, more surface area is available for contact with water and the reaction of hydration becomes faster. Gaining of strength is more rapidly and rate of evaluation of heat is increase. So in this fineness test basically there are two sub methods. So first one is sieving test method and second one is air permeability method. So this sieving test is under IS 4031 part 1 1996. IS is nothing but the Indian standard, and second one is air permeability method is mentioned in the IS 4031 part 2 1999. Okay, IS is nothing but the Indian standard. Okay, so importance of this fineness test is it can decrease the bleeding. So here what is meant by bleeding? So bleeding is nothing but the in fresh concrete refers to the process where free water in the mixed is pushed upward to the surface due to the settlement of heavier solid particle such as cement and water and aggregate, etc. Then some bleeding is normal, but to excessive bleeding can be problematic. So its importance is to it decrease the bleeding. Then second one important, it can increase the final strength of cement. Then it also affect the workability of that cement. Then fineness test indirectly measure the surface area of the particles of cement per unit mass. Then fineness increase the strength developed in the cement during its first 7 days. Okay, then it also increase the rate of hydration. Then more if more is the fineness of cement particles, then more will be rate of hydration. Okay, so let's see the first test, that is sieve test. Then for this sieve test we required a different apparatus. So in that first we required IS sieve, that for 90 micron with lid. Then next is we required a weighing balance machine. Then we required a brush, then trowel, and last one is we required a sieve shaking machine. This machine is optional. Then let's get started our procedure. Okay, so procedure is firstly take 100 gram of cement for the test sample and name it as W1. Then next rub the cement particles well with your hand so that no lumps are left in this sample. Okay, then next one, now pour the 100 gram of cement content in the sieve and close it perfectly with the sieve lid. Okay. Then if you have a sieving shaking machine, then it's okay. Now you just need to put the sieve in the shaking machine and start the machine for 15 minutes. If in case if you don't have any sieve shaking machine, then no problem, you can shake it also with your hands, but you need to make sure that the sieve operation is done in all the direction for a minimum 15 minutes. Then after that, after 15 minutes, you have to brush the sieve base with the help of brush, so that nothing is left on the sieve surface. Now just weight the written amount of cement on the sieve and note it at W2. Then you need to find out the percentage of weight of cement written on the 90 micron sieve. Then for calculation is to find out the percentage of cement written on the sieve. So formula is W2 divided by W1 into 100. So we know that W2 is nothing but our weight of written amount of cement on the sieve, and W1 is nothing but our weight of sample, that is 100 gram into 100. So for example, we take 100 gram of cement and our W2, that is weight of written amount of cement on the sieve is for example we take 6.5 written. So put this value in this formula. So W2 is 6.2 divided by W1 is 100 into 100. So our value is 6.2%. Okay. So for this, repeat the test for at least 3 times to minimize the risk of error. Okay, so result is, according to Indian standard, the amount of cement written on the 90 micron sieve shall not exceed 10%. Okay, for OPC. OPC is nothing but the ordinary Portland cement, and for RHC is nothing but the rapid hardening cement. So for RHC, according to Indian standard, the amount of cement written on the 90 micron sieve shall not exceed 5%. Okay. So from this calculation we get percentage of cement written on the sieve. So from this, the result of the fineness test of cement will be 6.2, which is below the IS value 10%, and hence cement is good in condition. Okay, so remaining test we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.